view at the Palm observation deck is 240 meters above Palm Jumeirah, on the 52nd floor of the Palm Tower.
So in this room we're going to build the island of Palm Jumeirah by standing on some footprints, just to show you how the island takes shape between 2001 and 2006. There are going to be 7 footprints on the floor. If you find one in front of you, just step on it to complete the whole island. You can take the first one. Okay. Great one. Alright, so this is the breakwater. Thank you so much. So this is the breakwater in 2001. See next one please. They are going to slowly move their way back to the coastline of Dubai. You can take the next one. Wait. Okay, that's all. Now in the center of the island they used 120 million cubic meter of sea sand, 7 million tons of rocks for the breakwater. Now they were using a GPS satellite to help them put everything into location. The rocks were collected from northern Emirates like Ras Al Khaimah. Alright, in the center of the island here you have 17 fronts with 1,500 villas. Okay, you can take it. Here you have 27 hotels on the breakwater, Atlantis in the center, with 2 channels on both sides to help circulate the water in and out of the island. This is where you are. Nakir Mall, the view at the Palm. Over here, this is a private island for His Highness the Sheikh of Dubai. This is just the view of the island from satellite. You can see Dubai Eye on this side and Burj Al Arab on the coastline over here. Thank you so much everyone for completing the island. Our next experience is the theater. We're going to watch.
عندما كنت صغيرا ألعب على شاطئ البحر مع أصدقائي كانوا يبنون بيوتا وقلاعا رملية على الشاطئ، وأنا كنت أحاول أن أبني في البحر وكانوا يضحكون. والآن كثيرا ما أصطحبهم إلى مشروع النخرة والمباني التي في البحر. دعونا نتحاور ونفكر في المستقبل ليكون لدينا جميعا رؤية واضحة. فدعونا نخوض معا معركة التنمية وليكن من ضحايانا الفقر والجهل والتخلف.
In 1997, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, embarked on a project that would transform Dubai's coastline and give the world one of its most recognizable man-made wonders, a technological marvel. Palm Jumeirah has become a symbol of not only Dubai's rich heritage and deep connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. This is the incredible story of how the island that captured the world's imagination rose from the sea. Welcome to the view at the Palm. From warm, shallow waters lapping at the coastline of the Gulf to a dazzling symbol of imagination and architectural ingenuity, this is the Palm Jumeirah. The iconic island was born from a vision to create an unforgettable masterpiece that would showcase the spirit of human possibility and transform the emirate into a buzzing metropolis and a global tourist destination. His Excellency Sultan Ahmed bin Sayyid was mandated by His Highness to bring this great idea to life, where the island's original design was shaped like a sun.
He told me, how many kilometers we're going to get if we build this island? I told him 7 kilometers. He told him, why not 70? I told him, the whole beach of Dubai, 60, 65 25 kilometers. How did you get 70? He said, why do we build it round? Why do we pull it on the sides and create more beaches?
The redesign included a 1.4-kilometer bridge connecting the Dubai mainland to the island. The shape then began to resemble a palm tree, a true Dubai icon. Nearly 100 million cubic meters of sand from the bottom of the sea and 7 million tons of rock from nearby mountains in the northern Emirates were carefully positioned using GPS technology and satellite images from space to create one of the most recognizable icons of Dubai. Constructed in less than 6 years, from 2001 to 2006, the first of its kind man-made island is a monumental feat of engineering and modern technology. It is one of the few islands in the world that can be viewed from space with the naked eye. Today, we welcome you to experience a pioneering symbol of Dubai's transformation into one of the world's most exciting cities. Designed to inspire wonder, this unforgettable, iconic, and awe-inspiring journey brings the story of Palm Jumeirah to life for the first time.
Desert sand could become perfect in a picture. You need sand from the sea, because the depth of the sea compact the sand, and it will compact it, and it will be very good sand.
Sand was fetched from designated oil areas 11 kilometers from shore. The reclamation work completed in October 2003, several months ahead of schedule.
By 2003, Palm Jumeirah was rehabilitation. In order to improve the conditions of the reclaimed soil and to support the panoramic foundation design, it was imperative to speed up the natural process of soil consolidation. The fiber compaction was selected as the most suitable method given the specific site conditions in the park. This technique would increase the density of the dry sand by inducing immediate settlement that would take decades to occur without a natural process. Surface leveling and surface compaction were necessary to complete the round development after the fiber compaction. Following completion of fiber compaction, the architecture, urbanism, and building construction works would begin.
By introducing continuous vibrations, the fiber compaction rearrange the particles of the soil in a more compact configuration.
Nakheel connected the iconic island to Dubai's mainland via extensive road network. Two bridges with 5 lanes in each direction connects Palm Jumeirah to the mainland. One 6-lane underwater tunnel connects its trunk to the crescent. During the construction of the subsea tunnel, Nakheel worked with marine environmental specialists to relocate 2,000 fish and other marine life species. Palm Jumeirah is now home to 1,500 beachfront villas, 30 residential apartment buildings, 2 marinas, a host of leisure and entertainment facilities, and 27 hotels, including the iconic Atlantis Dubai.
The crossing breakwater was initially designed as a continuous defense road measuring 11 kilometers in full length from west to east. It reflections clear out the many harmonics suggesting that the improvements in the waterfront would be beneficial to water quality inside the basin as a result. And finally, the subsea tunnels is 2 kilometers each of the 115 meters that is contained in the natural.
وبيبين بزيادة تصورت هذا ايوه اكو velocidade aqui muito baixa é 1 dividido por esse número, entendeu? Então quanto menos você dividir, mais caro vai ficar, porque vai ficar mais tempo com a lente aberta que com a luz. E aí você tem que ficar segurando. Às vezes. Ele vai tirar na mão. E a velocidade abundant.